This is my honest review of watching YouTube videos for payment. Is it worth your time, and should you even start it? Just follow the video until the end to see what's inside. From my point of view, these platforms are really good for advertising and I will recommend that to anyone who needs ads. Check the description for the official link for free. Let's go into the videos now.
About any of these platforms, and you're just going to love them. This is the first one. This website is called Zereclamy.com. You can either come over to Google Play Store and search for this app, and then install it to your smartphone device. Or if you're using a desktop, like me, just go straight to the website. Yes, you heard it right. It is available both on smartphone and computer. And with this website, you can actually get paid for doing a lot of different stuffs, which you normally do every single day. I'm going to show that in a minute. But as you can see, you can make money online either with your phone, computer, or tablet, and get paid wherever you are, without investment. That's all absolutely free. And they also have their app which you can install to your smartphone device and make money even with just your phone. Now on this page, they will be explaining you a little bit more about how their website works and stuff. But all you need to do is, once you come over to the website, or once you install the app, just click on the registration button over here. And that will take you over to the page where you can create a free brand new account by either signing up with Google, Microsoft, or by manually entering your email address and creating a password. And the thing that this website is available worldwide, so they will pay you no matter where you are in the world. But you will need to check if it does work in your country or not. Once you create an absolutely free account on this website, this is how it's going to look like. This is the dashboard where you can track your earnings and track your balance, and do all of those sorts of things in social media. The second website, which I wanted to share with you today, is called Timebox.com. It's really a great website because it will pay you for some really unique stuff, like it's going to pay you to post stuff on TikTok, view funny slideshows, play games, install apps and whatnot. But they also do have an option for you to get paid just for watching videos. And I really love it because they have daily bonuses. Each time you log into your account every single day, they will give you some absolutely free bonuses. And yes, you can start earning instantly, which means you don't have to wait around for weeks to get accepted into something. You can sign up today and still be able to earn money which you can then spend on whatever you want to. So just come over to Timebox.com. You can either sign up with Facebook, which is a lot easier and faster, because it requires just one click of a button. Investing any money. Third and the last website that I wanted to share with you today is called Quickerwords.net. This one is also going to pay you for different stuff. It's not as unique as the previous two websites, but it's still really nice, and it pays decent enough, so you can complete different surveys which are also something that I don't recommend. It requires a lot of time and effort and it's just not worth it. You can definitely play games because they're just easy. I mean, it's something that we probably do every single day. I don't know if you play games every single day, but I do. I sometimes like to unwind, so I just play some games on my phone. And now I can actually get paid for doing that. It's not going to be a lot of money, but still a couple of dollars here and there for having fun on my phone that we came for.